Probably the thing I enjoy the most about working with the customers is they're happy that they've got a new bathroom, that we were able to help them get it financed, that it's going to be an easy to maintain bathroom. They don't have the issues they had in the past with cleaning it, scrubbing it, and it looks great. When you tell them that you can get the bathroom, renovated in 2 days, and that means that they're only without a shower for 2 days, and during that time frame we'll make sure they've got a toilet every night when we leave. That's pretty important to them. One of the things that makes us distinctive is certainly the materials that we use on the walls, and that's also the shower floors. Our shower floors, we use a material that matches the walls, so we don't use like a fiberglass base in white and then do a wall in a different color. We'll do a shower base that will match the walls. It does have a texture to it, so it's got an anti-slip coating on it. The materials that we use, other people don't use in our market. It's a material that I think looks great. It looks better than a lot of the competing materials look. And a lot of customers didn't know it was even available before we showed it to them. So there's a lot of cool color options. There's some options that look like tile that people just like the way it looks. I'm a former military officer, and I've got a lot of requirements of my installer of what the finished job is going to look like, and high standards. If it doesn't look right and we don't do it right, I'll make them tear it out and redo it. Furthermore, we stand behind that work with a lifetime warranty. So if our customers have an issue, I tell them to call me. Call my cell phone number, call my installer cell phone number. We're going to take care of the problem for them. It's not going to cost them anything. It's not just materials. People say, well, is that labor too? Look, it's not going to cost you a penny. If something goes wrong, we're going to take care of it. And one of the big things that I think differentiates me from my competitors is when I sell a job, I'm going to tell the customer exactly when we're going to start the project and exactly when we're going to be done. My installer shows up at 8 a.m. every day. He's never late. He puts down drop cloths, makes sure he's not tracking stuff into the house. It's just those small details that make a difference. I think those small details are what makes the difference between a 3-star and a 5-star. And I think that the proof in that is in the reviews. We've got a ton of reviews on Google, and they're all 5-star reviews. And I think that all those small things add up to the customer being happy and being willing to provide you those 5-star reviews.